Hello, my name is Karthik Menon and today I am going to tell you something about Himalayas and the nature. So, the highest mountain range in the world, the Himalayan range, is far reaching, spanning thousands of miles and holds within an exceptionally diverse ecology. Coniferous and subtropical forests, wetlands, and montane grasslands are as much as a part of this world as the inhospitable frozen mountain tops that tower above. The word Himalaya is a Sanskrit for a bud of snow, fitting for a stretch of land that houses the world's largest non-polar ice masses. Extensive glacier network feeds Asia's major rivers, including the Ganges, Indus, and Brahmaputra. More than 1 billion people rely on these glacier-fed water sources for drinking water and agriculture as well. The Himalayas are not only a remarkable expanse of natural beauty, they are also crucial for our survival. Now, with this COVID scenario, experts agree that political pushback and a psychological inability for people to fully grasp the long-term impacts of crisis contribute to ineffective global efforts to address both the COVID-19 pandemic and the climate change. For example, the US administration has made deep cuts to the federal funding for research in the recent years. So, all we can say that in the big picture, both COVID-19 and the climate change demand early aggressive actions to minimize loss. That's all from my side. My name is Karthik Menon. Hope you had a good time. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Kashiki Ahuja and I am in BSc Chemistry final year. And on the occasion of Himalaya Day, first of all I want to tell you some advantages of Himalaya. That being the largest mountain range in the world, Himalaya provides a very natural quality that affect the lifestyle of the people, especially living in that particular area of the Asia. For example, Himalaya provide a very natural herb that help us to build up our immunity and help us to fight any pandemic viruses like COVID-19 very bravely. As we all know that COVID-19 has resulted in the change in the consumer lifestyles with the increased force of our preventive healthcare remedies to leading in the surge demand of natural products to combat the virus. The demand for natural products has increased across the nation, especially after our PM Modi ji recommended the use of natural products to boost up our immunity. So in the last, I want to tell you that the more you let the natural products to be the part of your life, the more your life will become easier. So start preserving your nature for your better life. Thank you.
On this very special day of Himalaya Day celebration, here I am Anushka Singh going to present you a video on Himalaya in nature.
The name of the range derived from the Sanskrit word Himalaya, a bird of snow. The Himalayan mountain range has formed due to the collision between Indian plate and Eurasian plate which began 50 million years ago. The Himalaya are great climatic barrier. Now what is the importance of Himalaya and why we celebrate Himalayan Day? Because they save our country from cold and dry winds of Central Asia. Many useful herbs which are used as medicine grow on the slope of Himalayas. Himalaya also act as boon of India. Now, this lockdown proved as a game changer because there is a natural healing which will help in long run, while ozone hole also heal this will completely due to decrease in polar vorticity. Snow-capped peak of Himalaya can be seen from different places of India like Jalandhar, Saharanpur after 30 years, which is a good thing. Due to the pollution drop, we can see this much changes. So I hope God has given
Hopefully
us.
you will all understand what is the importance of Himalaya in our country.
दुनिया में फैली कोविड पैंडेमिक के बीच में हम अपने आप को खतरे में महसूस करते हैं। भले ही घर की चार दीवारी में क्यों ना हो, हमको पल पल ऐसा लगता रहता है पता नहीं कब हमारे बॉडी के अंदर क्या क्या जा रहा है। क्या अगले ही पल हम उस वायरस के शिकार हो जाएंगे? तो सोचिए, अगर हमारी धरती माँ की भी आत्मा होती तो उनको कैसा लगता। वो बेचारी तो पिछले कई सालों से ग्लोबल वार्मिंग नाम की बीमारी को सह रही है। और उन्हीं के साथ जूझ रहा है उनका क्राउन हिमालय। हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंज 6 देशों में फैला हुआ है और ये 24 करोड़ से ज़्यादा लोगों को शेल्टर प्रोवाइड करता है। इसी के साथ ये 1200 से ज़्यादा एनिमल स्पीशीज़ और 25,000 से ज़्यादा प्लांट स्पीशीज़ का घर है। इसी की वजह से यहाँ पे कई सारे नेशनल पार्क्स, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स और वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज़ हैं। पर ये दुनिया की ऊंचाइयाँ आज खतरे में हैं। बदलता क्लाइमेट, पिघलते ग्लेशियर्स और खतरे में आते हुए एनिमल्स और उनके हैबिटेट्स। मैं ये कहूँगा कि हिमालय की रक्षा करने के लिए बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, बस चाहिए तो हमारा सपोर्ट और विल पावर। तो इसीलिए मैं सौभाग्य इको क्लब यूआईटी का एक मेंबर आप सबसे विनती करता हूँ, एक कदम बढ़ाइए दुनिया के इन हाईलैंड्स को बचाने के लिए, हमारे देश के प्राइड के लिए, हिमालय के लिए। थैंक यू।
Nature healing as human get sick. Good morning. I, Jyoti Chaudhary from BSc Honors Chemistry, is going to enlighten you on the theme Himalaya and Nature. The outbreak of COVID-19 has created an unprecedented situation around the whole world. No one was sure that they would see, at least in their lifetime, a day when nature would be recovering after a fallow due to excessive air pollution and every other abuse. But COVID-19 has turned the tables. Let's remind ourselves that our ancestors saw nature as mother and asked us to respect it. But at some point, we forgot ancient wisdom. In the lockdown, not just the skyline becomes clearer, but the rivers are visibly purer, and once the endangered flora and fauna is coming back to life. Here's a glimpse of how nature is healing. Homo sapiens is the only organism that has overpowered all other organisms. In the month of April, people in Jalandhar could see Himalayas for the first time in decades from their rooftop. The lockdown has cleared the air pollution to such an extent that people could catch a sight of Himalayas from some of its cities. Many hail the Himalayan news as the evidence that nature is healing during the scale-back period of human activity. This pandemic is a reminder of this dysfunctional relationship with nature. A focus on nature could help us understand from where the pandemic had come from and how the socio-economic fallout from the crisis should be mitigated. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Kashi Singh Parihar. I'm a student of BSc Biotechnology 3rd semester, and today I'm going to speak on the topic Himalaya and nature. They say when you die, you either go to hell or the Himalayas. Such is the beauty of the transcontinental majesty, the Himalayas. The Himalayas are the most significant geographical structures of India. No other mountain range anywhere in the world has affected the life of people and shaped the destiny of the nation as Himalayas have in respect of India. The Himalayas are the body and soul of India. They have great influence on Indian climate, prevent cold continental air masses from entering India, and in absence of Himalayas, whole India would have been a desert devoid of rains and would face severe winters. Himalayas act as a huge reservoir of water for North Indian rivers. Its scenic beauty, healthy environment, and beautiful landscapes are always opulent in attracting tourism. But this majesty is facing some of the worst environmental issues. A key driver in regulating Asian climate is now in grave danger of losing its original splendor and power as a major climate regulating force, thanks to human-induced climate change and global warming. The most recent project of government of construction of the Char Dham Road project is one of the many human-induced dangers to the Himalayan ecosystem. This project, although seeks to convert the existing narrow mountain range into an 8-meter wide highway to east travel, has turned blind eye towards the grave danger that this project is going to unleash on Himalayan ecosystem. In just 4 months of 2020, there were 11 slope failures, which means almost one a week. The greater the road width, the higher is required slope cutting and the higher the destabilization. Following that, there is soil loss, green cover loss, tree felling, loss of water source. In one generation, we have wiped out nearly half of world's ecosystem. So let's pledge on this Himalayan day that we all will do a little bit in conserving the nature in any way possible. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Tuba from second year of BSc Honors Chemistry. And today let's talk about Himalaya and nature, as we are celebrating Himalaya Day to give a message of sustainable development and ecological stability for the Himalayas. It is a very beautiful region with unique flora and fauna, needs unique treatment. Its people depend on natural resources for energy, soil, air, water, fuel, and for the medicines too. But due to the increasing in population, urbanization, deforestation, and melting of glaciers, the region is in eco-sensitive zone. And now, during this pandemic of COVID-19, the trouble gets double, as it is directed to wash hands regularly, but they have to struggle. The people who are living there, they have to struggle even to fetch the water for their basic necessities. They have limited livelihood. People are afraid that the unemployed members of family are coming back from the urban areas and can also spread the virus there. Though their medicinal herbs, shrubs for grazing are disappearing, so will the way of life, which can wipe out even the whole villages there. Although government can use public funds for health, education, to conserve and for the welfare instead of infrastructure. There is another side too, a good side of this pandemic, that the quality of air is improving during this lockdown, as there is a decrement in the pollution. So perhaps by putting the vision will inspire to transform it into a peaceful nature reserve. Himalaya, one nature, one reserve. Thank you.
Good evening, respected teachers. On this occasion of World Himalayan Day, I, Ritesh Kumar Paul of BSc Honors Food Technology, is presenting this small video. Himalayas. The term Himalayas is derived from the Sanskrit, which means the adobe of snow. Himalayas, the highest mountain ranges in the world. Range is far-reaching, spanning thousands of miles, and holds within it an exceptionally diverse ecology, including a numerous number of forests like the coniferous and subtropical forest regions, and mountain grasslands are a much part of this beautiful Himalayas. The Himalayas itself terms beauty. Beauty and the Himalayas are interlinked to each other. The Himalayas also consists of numerous varieties of wildlife that are present in it. The wildlife that are at the range of extinction and the wildlife that are not available in the normal surrounding forests are present in the Himalayas. At last, I would just say that the beauty and the Himalayas both are interlinked to each other. There is no beauty as beautiful as the mountains. Thank you.
इतनी ऊंची इसकी चोटी की सकल धरती का ताज यही, पर्वत से भरी धरा पर केवल पर्वत राज यही। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सादिया अंजुम है। मैं बीएससी बायोटेक थर्ड सेमेस्टर की छात्रा हूँ। इस माह को हिंदी माह के नाम से जाना जाता है, तो मैं अपने विचार हिंदी में प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी। हिमालय 7 राज्यों यानी भारत, पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, नेपाल, भूटान, चीन और म्यांमार में फैला हुआ है। 2500 किलोमीटर लंबा और 300 किलोमीटर चौड़ा इसका कुल क्षेत्रफल है। हिमालय केवल भारत ही नहीं, पूरे विश्व की आबादी को प्रभावित करता है। आज मनुष्य ने लालच में आकर इसकी दुर्दशा कर दी है। इतना बड़ा संकट उठ खड़ा हुआ है, फिर भी कोई सचेत नहीं है। हिमालय दिवस को मनाते हुए 10 वर्ष हो चुके हैं, फिर भी कोई अच्छा परिणाम हाथ नहीं लगा। जलवायु परिवर्तन के कारण हिमालय का स्वभाव बदल रहा है, मौसम आँख मिचौली खेल रहा है। भारतीय हिमालय क्षेत्र के 26 बड़े हिमनद इससे प्रभावित हैं। नदियों पर इसका बुरा प्रभाव पड़ रहा है और खेती पर विपरीत असर हो रहा है। हिमालय केवल प्राकृतिक रूप से ही नहीं, सांस्कृतिक और धार्मिक रूप से भी बहुत महत्व रखता है। माना जाता है कि जनक दुलारी सीता का यह मायका है और गंगा जैसी पवित्र नदी का अवतरण केंद्र। लॉकडाउन हिमालय के लिए संजीवनी बना। इस समय हिमालय क्षेत्र में बुग्याल, वनस्पति, फूल खूब खिलखिला रहे हैं और कई क्षेत्रों में प्लास्टिक सहित अन्य कचरा भी नहीं दिखा है। इसके बाद भी ज़रूरत है हमें एकजुट होकर हिमालय संरक्षण करने की, क्योंकि हिमालय हम सबका है। अंत में मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देते हुए दुष्यंत कुमार जी की कुछ पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी। सिर्फ हंगामा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सारी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। सिर्फ हंगामा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सारी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। मेरे सीने में नहीं, तुम्हारे सीने में ही सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन जलनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
A very good morning and warm wishes to one and all. I am Shreya Bharti of BSc Honours Biotechnology 5th semester. Talking about today's scenario, we all are stuck at our homes, the economy is going down, and the crisis is increasing day by day. So the question arises, if it's affecting so badly, then why are we even at home? Why are we not going out and working hard? It's because when we humans didn't stop harming and polluting the environment, so the environment itself took the necessary steps to heal itself. Actually, it all started years ago, when the human race became selfish and started cutting down trees rather than cherishing each and every moment spent with the Mother Nature. The Himalayas, which literally means the abode of the snow, was badly affected. Because of this, the eastern Himalayas faces a number of serious issues that threaten the environment, biodiversity, and human livelihoods of the region. The most significant of which are climate change, habitat loss, species loss, and infrastructure. The Himalayas need to be protected because a massive 1 in 5 people on earth depend on the fresh water that flows from the eastern Himalayas. Climate change and environmental damage could put the water supplies of more than 1 billion people under strain. It's one of the many reasons why protecting the world's largest mountain range is so very important. The situations that we're facing today is because the Mother Nature has given us a tight slap so that we can understand its importance in a positive way. We really need to look forward, work hard, and save the Mother Nature. We need to keep ourselves strong. For that, we need to remember, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, आएंगे पल ये हंसी लेके दिन बाहर के. Thank you.